Let me ask you about the future of the Democratic Party. So, one of the biggest impacts you've had is you've been the fuel, the catalyst for the increase of the progressive caucus, the progressive movement within the Democratic Party. Do you think that is the future? The progressives, even democratic socialist leaders will take over the party?
That is the most important question regarding, to my mind, American politics. One of the successes that we've had, and I'm proud to have played a role in this, is that if you go to the House of Representatives right now, you will see almost 100 members of the Progressive Caucus, led very well by a woman from Washington, Pramila Jayapal, does a great job. It's people like Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez, and Ilhan Omar, and many others. Many of them are young, often women, people of color, and many of them come from working class backgrounds. So what we have been able to do in recent years, elect a number of strong progressives who represent working families very, very effectively. The struggle in the Democratic Party is between the corporate wing and the progressive wing. And, the corporate wing takes a whole lot of money, sees its salvation in getting a whole lot of money from wealthy individuals and, large corporations, and is not very vigorous, in my view, in representing the needs of working class people. If they were, we would have health care for all. We would have a minimum wage that was a living wage. We would not have a housing crisis. We would not have a tax system in which billionaires pay an effective tax rate that is lower than a truck driver or a nurse. So I think one of the reasons that Trump has had political success is he is not so much his ideas. Most working class people don't think we should give tax breaks to billionaires or worry about the size of, Arnold Palmer's genitalia. But they are angry. People are angry. And the Democrats have not responded effectively to that anger. So the struggle that we are waging right now is the future of the Democratic Party. Will it be a party of the working class and represent working class issues, whether you're black or white or Latino or Asian or whatever you may be? Or will it be a corporately dominated party? That's the struggle we're in right now.